Hey guys, this is Ishan and you're watching Overloaded. So let's get started. So today I'm going to tell you how to install the CodeBlocks ID, and I will be starting a C programming tutorial series. But I don't know if I will be uh, posting some new videos for that. I don't know I can do that series or not. But I am telling you how to install CodeBlocks IDE, and this is the first video of that series. So to install CodeBlocks IDE, we need the installer. So to download that installer, we need to head to our browser. Then we need to search for CodeBlocks. So there's a website named codeblocks.org, but this is the website. From here we have to download. It's pretty easy. So it's a open source cross-platform free C and C IDE. To download this, press on this download button, and we need to install the binary release. So I am installing the Windows one. So here we need to download the CodeBlock 17.2 minidw.exe. So I will be downloading it from SourceForge. So I have some low internet speeds and it will take some time. So guys, I have my file downloaded and it's in the folder. Actually, this is a virtual machine. I have this installed, CodeBlocks installed on my machine. So I am using this virtual machine. So guys, we got this file here. So it's asking for the UAC, user account control. Just click yes, then press next, then I agree, then let it be like that. And if you want to change the directory, you can change the directory. I am installing in the same directory as it's a virtual machine. So guys, it's installed and it's asking that do you want to run CodeBlocks now? Yes, I wanna run, because to check if it's running properly or not, or it's installed or not properly. So select GNU GCC compiler. Okay. So you can choose any option. I'm selecting as no leave everything is add this or other. So for testing if it is correctly installed or not, just click on create a new project. Then console application, then next any language. I'm using C and name is as this. So I will be choosing as desktop. There is no option, let it be like this. Okay. Next, let it be like that and click on finish. So here, and you have to click on main.c. So this is a simple program with some headers, and actually headers as commands such as printf, If you don't use these headers, then printf would not be there. Actually, it will show some errors that printf is not a command and main is a function. So let's press F9. It will run. Yes, it's running properly. The CodeBlocks has installed properly. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, please like the video and comments in the comment section below.